What is flip-down TV mount?
A flip-down TV mount is actually a TV mount attached to the ceiling. So, as I said, a fold-up ceiling TV mount is basically a TV mount which can be folded up towards the ceiling and is mounted on the ceiling. Alright, so we're gonna do a review and an unboxing session of the Condomounts Fold-up ceiling TV mount. I got this from Amazon. So yeah, when we open the box, you could see the instructions right here. So in the instruction, they have inserted all the information needed to actually mount this TV. Alright, so those are the instruction for the fold-up ceiling TV mount. Alright, and next, if we go to the content, so firstly we have this Condomounts main ceiling mount. Right, it's pretty simple. If we look at it closer, this is where it will be mounted onto the ceiling, and it has this mechanism that allows it to be locked towards the ceiling. So it seems that you just have to push once and you could bring down your TV as so, and you want to lock it, just push it one more. So it has a special mechanism in it that allows it to do so. So push up once and you are able to bring down your TV. And besides that, this ceiling mount, okay, you could bring down this actual TV mount down here before you mount your TV. Alright, what do we have next? So next, they have also provided you with some plugs. Okay, all these are wall plugs, screws, and also some spacers. And here are some screws also. So if you look at this mount, alright, this mount can actually hold up only up till 37 inches. Alright, 37 inches. You cannot go more than that, and it has a maximum weight limit of 20 kilograms or 44 pounds. Alright, so for larger TVs, you cannot use this for larger TVs. So the limit here is actually 37 inches. Alright, so that is, I think, also I got this from Amazon actually. It came out pretty well for my LCD. So I placed my I want to place my LCD onto the ceiling. So that is the unboxing of the Condomounts Fold Up Ceiling TV Mount. Right, see you guys later.